Okay, this street is called Madeira Street. So it's named after an island in Portugal called Madeira. So we're going to walk all the way down Madeira Street. And there's some kind of interesting stuff all the way down as well. And we're also going to probably capture this interesting green building right here as well. Just kind of show you what that looks like, because I've always thought this is kind of an interesting space. And then we're gonna target our target street, Madeira. Some kind of interesting stuff all the way. This kind of goes towards Sonata Square, that direction. So stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So here we are in Madeira. One thing you'll notice is this is called, I think it's called East Asia Hotel. Got some kind of nice little balconies up there too. And then there's a nice restaurant right underneath it as well. Maybe we'll just kind of quickly take a look in there so you can see. There's a restaurant right there. Before we even go down our street, I just want to highlight this street real quick. This is actually kind of a cool looking building, because you got these nice balconies right here, and then it kind of goes really narrow over at the side here. I don't want to venture too far away from our target street. So I'll just kind of highlight the balconies, and then it has like a shape of a ship, so it'll have I'll just go down real quick, it doesn't hurt. So Madeira is our focus street, but at the base of Madeira is this kind of interesting ship-shaped building, and it'll be a shame not to show the ship-shaped building. And then we'll go down to Madeira Street. This is another hotel right here. This the one that the camera's faced on. And then this is our ship-shaped street, which is kind of cool. You kind of have to be at this angle to capture it well. So our ship-shaped street is going to be at the base of our Madeira Street. Yeah, and actually that ship-shaped street place is actually interesting garage that somebody owns a little space like that. Okay, so Madeira Street right to our right, so we're gonna walk down it. Then we have the East Asia Hotel, and then you can kind of see the interesting shapes of the rooms as well, the balconies. It's also got some nice balconies here too. So yeah, that's called East Asia Games. And then there's a few hotels in this area. So I think there's another one right here. It says the word commune. And then let me just see if I can go across here. So yeah, that one will say commune, and I think that one is a I don't know, that could be actually a furniture store. I was thinking it might be a hostel, but maybe not. This is October the 5th Street, and this one they'll make it into a market on Sunday nights, I think, Saturday nights. But you also have this nice black and white tiles down the way on this one. We're gonna keep on walking down. Let me see if we can get across here. So we're still on Madeira Street, so Rua de Madeira right there. And then this one has some nice windows. It's a restaurant right there. So we'll keep on walking down Madeira Street. I think this one at nighttime, I think this one it sells like Japanese noodles, I think. And that's the view of the East-West Hotel. or East Asia Hotel. Madeira Street. It's kind of interesting because Madeira is an island in Portugal, and it's kind of sometimes associated like the Hawaii of Portugal. And I've seen videos of it. It looks amazing. But it's kind of interesting that this also leads down to the ports, and the ports traditionally would have been where everybody would have come in. So we're gonna keep on going down that way, but let's just see what's going on here. Let's get something really good here. Let's kind of take a look in here real quick. Okay. So if you see something like that, you should check it out because it's probably something good. Okay, so that's Madeira Street. And we're gonna keep on walking down it. Victoria Company. Okay. Got some nice shops everywhere. So they got lamps and porcelain, hair salon. This one has gold. Oh, okay. Wow. Got an artisan in here. So he's making all of these. So I guess this is where they create them, right in here. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's more here too. Huh. So I guess on Madeira Street they're making these. So there's a shop, Tai Chong Wood Engraving, and I guess this is one big shop, goes all the way down, and then there's another one on this side too. We got more. So I guess they actually create them here. Amazing. Huh. I've filmed Madeira, but it's never really knew. We got some more in here too. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Habibi Foods. So yeah, I didn't realize that Madeira had people that created the shrines. They're painting them, they engrave them, they sculpt them. Amazing. Okay, so Madeira Street's gonna end in a moment. But at least you kind of got an idea of what it looks like. I have filmed Madeira before, and I guess either those were closed, or I walked too fast, or I was noticing other things. And then we're gonna end it. Let me just kind of walk over this way real quick. So these are some different streets that go all the way up to Senado Square. Little alleys. So actually I just recently filmed that one. Or no, I didn't. Caixas. But I filmed it other times. So that's called Rua da Madeira. And that's Madeira Street. So we're gonna end our video right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.